Hello students, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir online lectures. To sum number 7 of the government textbook, Priyanka owed Meena rupees 18,000. Owed Meena means Priyanka has to pay Meena. Priyanka accepted a bill drawn by Meena for the amount at 4 months. So who is the drawer here? Meena, and the drawee is Priyanka. The period is 4 months and the amount of bill is 18,000. Meena endorsed the same bill to Sagar. So here Meena is endorser and Sagar is the endorsee. Before due date, Priyanka approached Meena for renewal of bill. Meena agreed on the condition that 6,000 be paid immediately together with interest on the remaining amount at 8% per annum for 3 months, and Priyanka should accept a new bill for the balance amount. So out of 18,000, 6,000 is to be paid cash, and the remaining amount, that is 18 minus 6, so for 12,000 a new bill will be drawn, and for 12,000 you have to calculate interest at the rate of 8% per annum for 3 months, because the new bill is for 3 months. So that plus 6,000 will be paid in cash, okay, and the new bill will be for 12,000. The arrangements were carried through. However, before due date, Priyanka became insolvent and only 50% of the amount could be recovered from her estate. New bill was for 12,000 and now only 50% of the amount can be recovered. That means only 6,000 could be recovered. So 6,000 is cash you are getting and 6,000 will be bad debts. Give journal entries in books of Meena. So journal entries in books of drawer. Let's draw the journal. This is the journal of Meena, that is the drawer. So the first entry, first statement in the sum is Priyanka owed Meena 18,000. There will be no journal entry for this. Priyanka accepted bill. Now date is not given to us, so we will write serial number. We'll just write 1. So you're drawing a bill first. So bills receivable account. Account debit. What is the amount? 18,000. 2. Who is the drawee? Priyanka. 18,000. What is the narration? Being bill drawn for how many months is this? 4 months. Okay. Next, bill is being endorsed to Sagar, the second one. Sagar account debit. To bills receivable account. Same amount, 18,000. Narration will be being bill endorsed to Sagar. Okay. Now next is bill is being cancelled. So third, it will be drawee account debit always. So Priyanka account. To Sagar account. 18,000. Being bill cancelled at the request of Priyanka. After that, you have to calculate interest. There is interest. 6,000 is being paid in cash, and the new bill will be drawn for 12,000. So 12,000 for 8% for 3 months. So that comes to 240. Now there are two ways of writing the journal entry. I will show you both. First is I will write Priyanka account debit to interest. is 240, which I explained to you just now. 12,000 into 8% into 3 months, 240. So, being interest payable by Priyanka, that is the drawee. Okay. And then when cash is received, you will write cash account debit 6240, 6,000 cash plus 240 interest, 6240 to Priyanka is 6240, being cash received from Priyanka. Now, what you can do alternatively, instead of this entries 4 and 5, we can make one combined entry and we can write cash account debit to interest, that is 240, to Priyanka 6,000 and cash total is 6240. So, this is combined entry of these two. You can either write this one or you can write these two, both are equally correct. After that, Priyanka should accept a new bill. Let us draw the new bill now. So, this is 6. New bill is being drawn, bills receivable account, debit. New bill is for 12,000 to Priyanka account, again 12,000, being new bill drawn for how many months now? 3 months. Okay. Now, what happens is Priyanka becomes insolvent. So, for that first we have to dishonor the bill. So, reverse this entry, Priyanka account debit to bills receivable, amount is 12,000, being bill dishonored due to Priyanka's insolvency. Okay. Now, we are receiving part payment, 50% of the amount could be recovered from her estate. So, cash how much we are getting? Half of 12,000. So, cash account debit is 6,000 and bad debts is again 6,000. To Priyanka account, 12,000, being 50% of the amount recovered from Priyanka's estate. Okay. So, this is your sum. This will come in the board exam for 10 marks. Okay. Be prepared. Thank you. Textbook. Uday purchased goods from Shankar on credit for rupees 35,000 at 10% trade discount. 10% trade discount means 10% of 35,000, that is 3,500 is your discount. Okay. So, goods are purchased for 31,500. Uday paid rupees 1,500 immediately and for the balance accepted a bill for 3 months. So, here who is the drawer? Drawer is Shankar and Uday is the drawee. So, Uday is paying cash immediately 1,500 and the new bill is for the balance amount, that means 30,000. Before due date, Uday approaches Shankar with a request to renew the bill. So first you have to cancel the old bill. Shankar agreed with the condition that Uday should accept a new bill for 3 months, including interest at 12% per annum. Now there is no part payment in this. Okay, for the full amount you are making a new bill, and for the full amount 30,000 you have to calculate interest at 12% per annum for 3 months. Alright. So give journal entries in the books of Shankar, that is the drawer. So let's draw the journal. So this is the journal of Shankar, who is the drawer. So Uday has purchased goods from Shankar on credit at 10% trade discount. So the first entry will be Uday account debit to sales account. Now there is no date given to us, so we will just write the serial number here 1. Write down Uday account debit to sales account. Amount is how much? 35,000 minus 10%. So 31,500. Being goods sold at 10% trade discount, okay, on credit. Now next is cash is being received from Uday, cash account debit. How much cash is being received? 1,500 to Uday. Being cash received from Uday. Okay. After that, you are drawing a new bill. So, bills receivable account debit for the amount of 30,000 to Uday. Being bill drawn for how many months? 3 months. Okay. After that, bill is being cancelled. So, you have to reverse the entry Uday account debit to bills receivable account. The amount is again 30,000. Being cancellation of bill. Okay. After that, new bill has to be drawn. So, interest has to be calculated Uday account debit to interest account. There is no part payment. So, interest will be for the full amount, that is 30,000 into what is the rate of interest? 12%. 30,000 into 12 upon 100 into 3 upon 12. So, that is 900. Being interest due. Now, the last one is you have to draw the bill. They are not saying whether it is honored, dishonored, nothing is given. So, write down, you can write new bill or you can just write bills receivable account debit. What is the amount? 30,000 plus 900, 30,900 to Uday account. Being new bill drawn with interest for how many months? 3 months. Okay. This is your answer. Thank you.